What's good, Pepper Besties? It's your girl, Chic. I have not done a GLP update for y'all in a good minute. So I wanted to go ahead and give y'all an update. Sorry if it's a little loud around here. They got people out here. It's a beautiful day in Vegas today. So anyway, um, I wanted to first update y'all. Yes, I'm still with LifeRx. She's a lifer. She definitely is, and she's still loving it. LifeRx is tea. Yeah, y'all like my little fit? I got this from Shein. It's a little two-piece skirt set. And I did two videos actually on my locks, okay? I showed y'all how I refreshed them, the color, okay, for the ginger girlies. And in addition to that, I also did a video getting ready, okay? I did a get ready with me. These nails are from Shein, by the way. I love them. I love flare nails. That's been my thing lately. And y'all, this ginger has a grip on me, okay? I am like hooked on ginger. I am still with LifeRx MD, loving it. Y'all, prices start at $199 a month. There are no hidden fees. You don't have any monthly costs or anything. In addition to just paying your $199 or $299 a month. It depends on which GLP, which pepper you choose. But yeah, prices start at $199 a month. And I just put in, that's why I wanted to do this update. So I just did my form. You get a form every month where they send it to you to your email. And in that, you respond, you answer some questions, you let them know how much you've lost, like in the past month, how much more you intend to lose, like what your goals are moving forward for the next month, so they know if you plan on dosing up or not, staying the same. I stayed at the same dose at 12 for a good minute. And this last one I submitted, I put in for maintenance, y'all. So I have not been dropping too far below 110. I'm only 4'11". I'd say around 108 to 110. Y'all know I'm a therapist, so like my weeks tend to be like super busy. And with that, with my weeks being pretty on the busy side, um, sometimes I just be on a go like that, so it'll fluctuate. So do know and expect your weight to fluctuate a little bit. That's something to expect on this journey. It's not a bad thing. It just depends on a whole lot of factors. Still make sure you're drinking your water and your electrolytes, and you're doing everything you need to do to stay regular. Because if y'all know, like I know, Tursday can really back you up if you know what I mean. So it's just one of those things that, you got to deal with. It ain't as bad as some of the haters be making it seem. But that's neither here nor there. We ain't worried about none of that. I don't know about y'all, but GLPs have been so good to me. I don't give a damn about what the next one got to say about it negatively. It didn't work for you. Sorry for you. Did it work for me? Yes. Do I have any regrets? Not really. The only regret I have is not starting sooner. You got to have your own mindset and do what's best for who? You at the end of the day, right? Like, screw what people think. You feel me? Like, who they feeling like anyway? You know, if they wanted to lose weight, they can choose the way they want to lose it. Are we knocking them? No, we minding our business. We listen, we don't judge, right? So this journey has been amazing, but she has now made it back into maintenance. So when I did that last questionnaire, I did request to be in maintenance. And so we're going to see. I will update y'all and let you know what the pharmacy, what my doctor ended up putting in as far as like, how my dosages and stuff will be. Like, will I be doing once every other week or whatever? I have to let y'all know, like when I know. But y'all, I love this outfit so much. Vegas has been a little bit nippy, a little bit on the windy side. We dropped down into like the 40s, y'all. I'm talking about like our highs. Today is actually really beautiful, sunny, and nice. But I love these boots. I got these boots from Amazon, actually. Let me show y'all. Okay. Boots are from Amazon. Yeah, y'all. Boots are from Amazon. And this set is from Shein. Nails are from Shein. And your girl got a fresh retwist, fresh color, and we even got auburn eyebrows. Okay, yes, she is giving what she needs to give, honey. Okay, go play with somebody else. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come give y'all an update, let you know that she is finally going back into maintenance. And even though I was dosing on the 12 for about 4 months, 3 months, something like that, didn't go up at all, but I was staying in between about 108, 110. Like I said, depending on how many clients and stuff I have a day, I can tend to get like really busy. It's so hard, y'all. Stay on top of making sure that you're eating enough and you're taking in the amount of protein and nutrients that you need, your veggies and all of that. You want to keep up with it, okay? That's really important for your body. But yeah, y'all gotta give LifeRx a try if you are thinking about starting your journey. Like I said, make up your mind to do what's best for you. Don't listen to all the noise on the outside. Okay? You gotta really do what's best for you. Okay? So with that being said, Pepper Besties, happy losing on y'all journeys. I am continuing with LifeRx, and like I said, I will give y'all an update as soon as I have one. And I'll probably do another unboxing in the next few days when it arrives. It only takes a few days to arrive at my doorstep. So yeah. I can't wait until it gets here. But my journey with LifeRx has been amazing. Like healthcare providers there to answer any of my questions if I ever have any. But just the ease of everything, I don't have to worry about nothing. I have instructions that tell me exactly how many units and so forth. So it's a piece of cake, easy peasy. It can't beat that. And like I said, starting at $1.99 a month, y'all can use my code SHEEP for some coins off. Okay. And as far as TikTok, my Linktree link ain't in there right now because y'all know I don't have my old page no more. That one got, and so yeah, they be hating y'all. They want our backs to stay big on this app. As a matter of fact, anything health wise, they don't like it. So they try to like, silence us or whatnot. But we ain't letting that go down. We're gonna keep right on going, right? You feel me? But your girl Sheik is gonna let y'all go. Happy losing, Pepper Besties. Stay strong. You gotta make sure you keep your mindset right. Okay? We're not giving up. Ain't no quitting. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Get it in, okay? And yes, we still exercise. Um, I had like a little bit of an injury situation where I pulled something. So hopefully within like the next couple weeks or so, I'm gonna make sure I'm healed up before I start back my workouts. But I will bring y'all along with me when I'm working back out, okay? So I will catch y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.